Ever stared at your trading screen, heart pounding as a sudden market swing wipes out your carefully planned profits, leaving you wondering what just happened? What if I told you that many of these sudden events, these seemingly unpredictable market disruptions, often have underlying causes that, with the right preparation, you could not only anticipate but also potentially profit from? We're not talking about insider trading here, or some crystal ball that reveals the future. We're talking about a systematic approach to understanding and preparing for what I call Newton's sudden maintenance events. Now, you might be thinking, Newton? Like Isaac Newton, the guy with the apple? And yes, you're on the right track in a metaphorical sense. Just as Newton's laws describe the predictable forces governing the universe, there are often predictable forces at play in financial markets, even during seemingly chaotic periods. Sudden maintenance refers to those abrupt market corrections, sharp reversals, or unexpected volatility spikes that often feel like the market is undergoing a quick, unscheduled overhaul. They're often triggered by significant economic data releases, unexpected geopolitical shifts, central bank announcements, or even major technological disruptions. The key here is not to predict the exact moment or the exact magnitude of these events. That's a fool's errand. Instead, it's about understanding the types of events that trigger them, the indicators that signal their potential arrival, and the strategies you can employ to mitigate risk and even capture opportunities when they occur. This isn't about avoiding these events, it's about embracing them as an inherent part of the market landscape and developing the resilience to navigate them successfully. So, how do we prep our trades for these Newton's sudden maintenance events? It starts with a multi-layered approach, a robust framework that combines macroeconomic awareness, technical analysis, risk management, and psychological discipline. Let's break it down, piece by piece, so you can build your own fortress against market shocks and turn potential pitfalls into stepping stones. The first pillar of preparation is macroeconomic awareness and the economic calendar. This might sound basic, but you'd be surprised how many traders overlook the profound impact of fundamental economic data. The economic calendar is your early warning system. Are there major central bank meetings scheduled for the week? Interest rate decisions? Inflation reports? GDP releases? Employment figures? Each of these can act as a catalyst for significant market movement. Understanding the consensus expectations for these releases, and more importantly, the potential deviation from those expectations, is crucial. A significantly higher or lower inflation print than anticipated, for instance, can send bond yields soaring or plunging, directly impacting equity valuations and currency strength. Don't just passively observe these events. Actively research their historical impact. How has the market reacted to similar inflation surprises in the past? What's the typical volatility surrounding an FOMC meeting? By understanding these historical precedents, you can form a more informed hypothesis about potential market reactions. Moreover, pay attention to the commentary surrounding these releases. Central bank minutes, press conferences, and official statements often provide nuanced insights into future policy direction, which can have long-lasting effects. Remember, the market is a forward-looking mechanism. It's not just about the numbers themselves, but what those numbers imply for future economic growth, corporate earnings, and monetary policy. The second pillar is identifying key technical levels and volatility patterns. While fundamentals provide the why, technicals provide the where. Before any major economic announcement or known potential disruption, identify critical support and resistance levels on your charts. These are the battlegrounds where buyers and sellers are likely to congregate. Often, when a sudden maintenance event occurs, the market will retest these levels with increased volatility. If a strong support level holds during a sharp sell-off, it can present a compelling buying opportunity. Conversely, if a key resistance level breaks during an unexpected surge, it could signal a new uptrend. Beyond static levels, pay attention to volatility patterns. Tools like the average true range, ATR, can give you a sense of an asset's typical price fluctuations. When ATR expands significantly, it signals increased volatility, which is characteristic of a Newton's sudden maintenance event. Look for volatility indicators to spike before or during these periods. Options markets can also provide valuable clues. Implied volatility, often reflected in the VIX index for equities, tends to surge when market participants anticipate large moves. A high VIX isn't just a measure of fear, it's a measure of expected volatility, which can be a powerful signal to adjust your trading strategy. You might consider wider stop losses, smaller position sizes, or even taking a temporary step back from highly correlated assets during periods of elevated implied volatility. The third pillar, and arguably the most critical, is robust risk management. This is where many traders fall short, especially during unexpected market shifts. When a Newton sudden maintenance event hits, emotion often takes over. The fear of missing out, FOMO, or the panic of losing capital can lead to irrational decisions. Effective risk management is your firewall against these emotional pitfalls. Firstly, position sizing is paramount. Never risk more than a small, predefined percentage of your trading capital on any single trade, especially leading into high-impact events. If your usual risk per trade is 1% of your capital, consider reducing it to 0.5% or even 0.25% before a major central bank announcement. This smaller position size acts as a buffer, allowing you to absorb greater price swings without catastrophic damage to your portfolio. Secondly, strategic stop-loss placement is non-negotiable. During periods of increased volatility, typical stop-loss placements might get wicked out by fleeting price movements. Consider wider stop-losses or using mental stops combined with a clear exit strategy. Alternatively, explore strategies like trailing stops, which adjust as the price moves in your favor, locking in profits while still offering protection. But remember, no stop-loss is foolproof in extremely volatile markets. Slippage can occur, meaning your order might be filled at a worse price than your specified stop. This underscores the importance of the first point, smaller position sizes. Thirdly, diversification isn't just for long-term investors. It's a powerful risk management tool for traders too. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially if those baskets are highly correlated. If you're heavily long technology stocks, consider if an interest rate hike might impact all of them simultaneously. Spreading your risk across different asset classes, sectors, or even strategies can help cushion the blow of a sudden downturn in one particular area. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.